Hello, my name is Marla Portillo. This past summer, I worked on a research program with my mentor, Dr. Piotr Surik, on a project titled Comparison of GraphWave Network Embeddings to Link Analysis Techniques for Role Discovery in Networks. Very recently, much research in network science has been devoted to the problem of discovering the functional roles of nodes in networks. Network analysis conceptualizes entities as nodes and their relations to each other as links. One of the most interesting recent applications of network analysis is to discover different roles that nodes play in network by examining their connectivity. For example, the brain might have neurons that have sensory, motor, or interneuron roles. The common approach for predict roles is to derive a set of node embedding features, which are based on the network topology, and that employ machine learning techniques to build a predictive model. One example of a recent network embedding approach is the GraphWave algorithm. Specialized network embedding algorithms, like GraphWave, have been used to generate features specifically for role discovery. GraphWave calculates unsupervised structural embeddings via wavelength diffusion through the graph. The research goal was to determine whether GraphWave embeddings can produce superior predictive models of role discovery compared to using LinkAnalysis, and determine which models work the best for the different embedding methods and features. To compare the predictive performance of LinkAnalysis features to GraphWave embeddings, we used Python's NetworkX package to load network data for the neural connective of the C. elegans worm. We then generated LinkAnalysis features using NetworkX implementations of PageRank hits and other algorithms. Later, we generated the GraphWave embeddings using the StellarGraph package. From this, we produced 3 separate datasets: a LinkAnalysis features, a GraphWave embeddings, and a combination of both. Each one was used separately to train a predictive model using a variety of machine learning techniques built into the sklearn package. For each model, optimal hyperparameters were found through a grid search. Different GraphWave parameters were tried until best validation accuracy was achieved. Lastly, we tried to increase the accuracy of the models by fusing the predictions. The fused model predicted the class output by the majority of the individual models. The results were then compared using 10-fold cross-validation. The best overall models were random forest and neural network. Random forest produced the most accurate result when using the LinkAnalysis and then combined models. Neural networks produce the most accurate result with the GraphWave model. Random forest classifiers are good for the C. elegans dataset using LinkAnalysis features. Neural network analysis produced the most optimal result when using GraphWave. However, GraphWave did not perform as well as expected and other previous work suggested on this specific dataset. A combination of LinkAnalysis and GraphWave generated better overall results than using either method individually. We believe this suggests a methodology on how to optimally perform network role discovery with other types of data. Our future work will include other datasets in which we will try different methodologies to produce superior results that will help us understand how different algorithms, features, and parameters can predict the most overall optimal results.